What's up, guys? This is a Heatilator Gas Fireplace, and if you're wanting to get to the logs because it is enclosed in glass and screen, first you need to remove the screen. The screen is up near the top. As far as where it hooks over a couple of bolts that stick out on both sides, so just lift up on it. Just lift up. Pull it all the way off of it. Kind of hard to do one-handed. Okay, the whole screen comes off. Then, to remove the glass, see you've got glass right here. These springs have these little clamps. Let's see if we can get some light here. Okay, these spring clamps right here, you pull them. Here we go. Get a look at everything. These spring clamps you pull back and off of this hook right here. Do that on both sides. Pull it back and over. Then the whole glass will come off. As you see, it will come forward like this. Then you can take it off to get to the logs behind it there. Okay, so it's these springs right here. Okay, that's how it goes back in place. And see these pins right here? That's what holds the screen in place. These pins have these little hooks. Those pins is what these hooks go over, top and bottom. So you got pins down there, pin there. Okay, so you just hook those back in place to put the screen back on. And that's all there is to it. Check out our channel, we'll get all kinds of cool stuff you might like. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. Feel free to send us a donation. We really appreciate it. You'll have a great day.